what I think is going to happen is we're going to consolidate a little bit in this range, and then we're probably going to end up breaking higher unless something happens in the technicals. Here we have the Dow looking completely neutral, but if we have a completely neutral chart in an uptrending market, we have to assume the break is more likely to go to the upside than the downside, although not highly, it's like a 60-40 to the upside. The NDX here is looking a little bullishly postured. We'll see what the back off does today here and see how far down it comes. It looks like it's going to drop 20 off the open, but this is neutral but bullishly postured. We have the SPX, which is basically completely neutral, but again, I see the primary trend is up. The shorter term trend is down, but we've broken over the downtrend line. So that's a little bit leaning me slightly towards the bullish side. The Russell just looks bullish. We had a breakout to new highs. We had a test of support, and it's been holding that level. I think the first indication of a breakdown is the Russell starting to break this support, which is going to be around 1610. We get the Russell under 1600 for sure, then we might be concerned about something a little bit deeper. But as of right now, I'm thinking sideways holding support and probably eventually breaking up. I don't know if it's going to happen this week or maybe a little bit later, but eventually breaking up. And even that, I don't think is going to be very strong. I'm thinking that, this little pattern here puts us at a break up at maybe right here, 1670, which is pretty much a level we've been looking at for quite some time now.